recent changes in the US political landscape impact Indian markets? Could it be a windfall or a headwind? Will this shift bring positive opportunities for Indian investors or pose new challenges to growth? Join us as financial expert Mr. Hariharan breaks down the key factors shaping this dynamic. Let's dive in.
So as of now, it is a bit early to comment. While the result, so there are two aspects to the result. I'm sure all of you have seen that. One is the immigration related issue. The other is from a tariff related issue. I think the immigration. I think they have made it now clear that it's more from an illegal immigration kind of standpoint that they want to take. So we don't anticipate too much negative from that side in terms of immigration. From a tariff perspective, I think India has had a reasonably good relationship with US. So India, if at all, should benefit out of it. China could be the one who could suffer out of this. And again, no too early days to comment because we'll have to see how the entire policy pans out. What kind of decisions they announce. But from a medium-term perspective to long-term perspective, I think it should turn out favorable for the Indian economy, for the Indian stock markets.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.